There is a new push to address California's homeless crisis. Governor Gavin Newsom signed Care Court into law. It's a first-of-its-kind law that could force people with severe mental illness or addictions into court-ordered treatment and housing. CBS 8's Chris Groh joining us live now to explain how San Diego County plans to manage and implement this. Chris.
And look, San Diego County is actually going to be one of 7 counties here in the state of California that are going to need to have this installed and working by October 1st of next year. So to answer a lot of the questions that we're getting from viewers, again, wanting to know exactly how this works, we went to the Director of Behavioral Health for the county, Dr. Luke Bergman, to talk about his expectations for Care Court and what they're looking at. We also asked one of our questions, which was exactly the role the judge will play in this civil court. Again, a civil court, not a criminal court, and how they will work alongside mental health professionals. Take a listen to his answer.
There is some gray area in kind of in what they are or how they would be understood, and that's really where the judge who is managing this docket will be important, because they involve determining the likelihood of future harm either to oneself or to another person.
And so again, Care Court is a civil court proceeding that will mandate mental health treatment for individuals that are going through a number of severe mental health different illnesses. Now, family members, first responders, and others can petition the court for that individual if they believe that they are suffering, if they are harm to themselves or a harm to others. And then for 2 years, the system will provide medication, housing, and social services. But again, that court-mandated mental health treatment. Now, lawmakers believe that this is going to be a tool in the tool belt, so to speak, to help address homelessness in our state. However, in our conversation with Dr. Bergman, he stressed there's still a lot of unknowns surrounding the impact that this will have. He talked about the uncertainty surrounding the effectiveness of really any mental health treatment for someone with that court mandate looming above them. A lot of the impact, again, still unknown, including its effectiveness on the homeless crisis.
Homelessness isn't designated as a necessary criteria, but I think there's the sense that that a lot of folks who are chronically homeless in particular would sort of fit into this program, because a lot of those considerations beyond just diagnosis would be flagged by homelessness, right?
And of course, for more information on Care Court, including some changes that were made just before Governor Gavin Newsom went ahead and signed this into law, you can go to our website, CBS8.com, and click on that story link. Reporting from Harbor Island, I'm Chris Groh for CBS 8.